Hello guys and gals, welcome back to this channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot an issue that I was having with my Acer laptop. So the issue I was having is this. When I go into my partition manager and I try to extend this one, it's grayed out. Now I tried deleting a bunch of data and I cleared up 9.20 gigabytes. And I had it unallocated and I tried to extend it, didn't work. So I tried the troubleshooting method right here. Going into disk partition on the command terminal. So disk part and then list disk and it lists all my partitions and then select disk 0. Then list partition and then select partition 6. So deleted the recovery. Delete partition override, successfully deleted, and that didn't work for me. So I had to download something, but I didn't want to download a virus or anything that was sketchy. So I found this program, and it is called Paragon, and you find it at www.paragon-software.com. So once you download this, you want to make sure that your empty space is allocated, or not unallocated, but allocated to a disk. And then go here. And actually up here, let's see which one. Okay, so select the disk that you want to extend. And let's see, where's it at? Sorry, bear with me here. Okay, select the disk and then select expand. And from right here, this menu is going to let you expand it with that empty space that you allocated to a new volume. So I'm going to expand it with this one, check off the box, next. Expand now. And give that a second to process. Still processing. There we go. And now it's expanded. So close that. And now you can see all that new juicy space that we have available to expose to our experiments. Well, that'll be all for today. We'll catch you in the next video.